Hello everyone, this is a quick video on how to solve the following Vue.js application error. So you might have a Vue.js application that gives you the following error. So print hello is not defined, and print hello is a method that is being called, but it's not defined here. So there are a number of causes for this error. So let's go through some of them very quickly. So the number one cause for this error is if you define the method in one component and then reference it in another component, that's going to be a problem. So for example, if you have something like this where you're calling the child method on button click, but this call child method is in a different component, this won't work because this method needs to be in the same component as the reference. So now that type of error should go away. So you have call child method, and now you can call child method because it's in the same component. So that's one potential fix. Another way to call a function from a different component is a scenario where you have a parent and child component. So in this scenario, you can use events to call the child component in the parent component. So this is a better way of doing things than using ref. So here I'll quickly go over this. So here's a quick demonstration of what's going on. So if you click add count to child, you can see that this is being incremented. So this sentence is rendered by a child component, and this is the parent component. So the parent and child are communicating. Every time this button is clicked, the child component's count attribute is incremented. So this is being done like so. So you call add count, and then add count calls options child interface add count. So what this is doing is this is calling the add count method in the child component, and the child component is accessed using this interface annotation. So in get child interface, it's getting the child interface as you see here. So in child, on mounting the child component, so when it is created, we call the emit interface method. The emit interface method just updates or sends an event or a notification to the parent component whenever its own child component methods are called. For instance, add count. So when parent component triggers add count method to be called from child interface initiated by this button click, this add count method is being called. So then add count or this dot count is incremented by 1. Then you can see that once it's incremented, it's going to update the view here. Once it updates, it also emits an event to the parent component because add count has been updated. So whenever it's being run and count is updated, it emits an event which signals the parent component to refresh the view and refresh the child component on the screen. And that's what's causing this count to be incremented. So that's not really a solution, but a potential better way of doing things if you're having if you're running into that error. So now this is also another potential solution for this error. So you notice when I click call print hello, you get the error method is not defined. So this could be also due to the following scenario. So right here, you can see that call child method or call print hello is referencing this function. So call print hello, and then call print hello is calling print hello function. But since we're not using the this keyword, it's not working. So what we have to do in this scenario is add the this keyword and then refresh the page. And then when we click call print hello, you can see that that error is gone. And that's because we started using this, the keyword, and now it can access the print hello method. So this this may or may not be helpful for you, but always use the this keyword when referencing methods inside your own components. So that's it for this video. It's a quick video on how to resolve the error I was talking about. If you found it helpful, feel free to like or subscribe to the YouTube channel. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.